What's going on, everybody? I'm going to be replacing my dome LED lights in my 2007 Chevy Avalanche, and I was going to give a quick reference on how to do that. You're going to need like a little plastic trim tool. This is what I use, and it's just to pop the covers off right here. You can see the tabs right here. There's a tab here, and then two other tabs. And all you're going to do is pop those tabs. So that's one side, and then that's the other side. And you can see the clips. It's got 4 little clips on it. 2 clips look like a little hinge on the back side, and then the other 2 look like they just snap in. So that's how we'll be putting that back in. Obviously hinge first. I've already pulled one of the bulbs earlier just to make sure I did order the correct bulbs. And all they are is 41 millimeter LED bulbs. So this is what it looks like now. Now you got to be careful installing these. From what I've heard, they'll only go in one way. So they have to. So if it snaps in like this way and don't work, then just pop it back out and then snap it in the other way. So we'll try that right quick. Well, that looks like it's going to work. So I think that's going to be the right way. So that's significantly brighter than the stock. So that's stock, and that's the LED. So yeah, you can tell a huge difference there. But that's all I'm going to be doing is just those. And then also I have the rear navigation system, or I'm sorry, rear DVD player. So I got the screen and all that stuff back here. I've already popped these covers off. It's the same deal, same bulbs and everything. So we're just going to be replacing those. And when I get all that replaced, I'll give you a look. All right, guys, I'm back, and I'm done with the install. It's a quick install. It takes roughly 5 minutes max. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like now. So way brighter. So I'll wait for it to get a little bit darker, and then I'll come out here for myself and see what it looks like. But I can already tell you right now it's going to be substantially brighter than stock. So thanks for checking out the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, and it'd be really awesome if you'd subscribe to the channel. That way I can keep on putting out more and more videos, and hopefully try to step my video game up some. So thanks a lot, and I definitely appreciate it. Peace.